Today we're going to be talking about unlocking a new achievement called sentence variety. How does this paragraph sound to you? He went to the store. He rode his red bike. He pedaled faster and faster. He got off his bike. He went inside the store. Does it sound super boring to you? Does it sound like it's putting you to sleep? Well, there's actually a reason for that. This paragraph lacks sentence variety. Sentence variety means using different sentence patterns, lengths, and rhythms. Lullabies, like you sing to a baby, have the same sentence pattern over and over and over and over so that they sound really boring and they put you to sleep. We don't want our writing to put our readers to sleep. We want to mix up the types of patterns, lengths, and rhythms we're using in our sentences so that our readers stay super interested and engaged. Let's break this down by looking at the first word in each sentence and counting up how many words are in each sentence. So if we look just at the first word, we see, okay, our first word is he. And if we count up how many words are in the sentence, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we see that our word count is 5. Go ahead and do this for the rest of the sentences in your head. Hopefully you see that each sentence starts with the same word and each sentence has the same length. This is why it sounds so boring. It's the same thing over and over and over and over. That's not what we want for our writing. What does this remind you of? Here I just graphed how many words are in each sentence. So for sentence 1 there are 5, sentence 2, 5, sentence 3, 5, etc. What does this remind you of? Does it remind you of this? This is absolutely not what we want our reader to be thinking about or feeling when they are reading our writing. We're going to go ahead and practice now. What you're going to do is read the first 10 sentences in your writing. Write down the first word of each sentence and then count up how many words are in each sentence. Go ahead and pause the video until you have this done. Next, you're going to graph your work. So you're going to start with sentence 1 and put a point where you have the number of words in that sentence. Do the same thing for sentences 2 through 10, and then you can connect the dots. Pause this video until you're done. Does your writing look like a flat line, or does your writing look super exciting like this heartbeat over here? Our big takeaway today is that we want to mix up our sentence beginnings and lengths to make our writing sound more interesting.